Okay, yes, the floor is yours. And this is your scenario. Bibigyan ko talaga ng scenario, no? May eksena talaga sila. So here we go. You are at a party and your ex is there. Kuha ko yan. So, kailangan yung vibe natin ay confident, unbothered, and effortlessly lang. Okay? Kailangan, lalakad kayo, i-flip nyo yung hair ninyo na parang wala siya and you were the one who got away. Oh! Alright, so in 3, 2, 1, go ahead! Okay, nandiyan na si X. Nakita si X. Magpa-cute lalo. I'm over you. I'm better without you. Yan, yan. Alright, and now we'll find out who the winner is among the 3 ladies. Okay, malalaman natin, Zainab. Simply, magpalakpakan po tayo. Mag-iyawan. So let's start with candidate number 1 right over here. What do you think? How about right over here? Okay, dito naman. Okay, Zainab, you have to choose. Sino ang nanalo sa kanilang tatlo?
Ano bang price nito?
Siyempre, Lux Organic.
Organics. Okay. Ang hirap kasi parang magpapantay-pantay yung energy ng ating audience. Pwede bang one more time para sure
Sige,
tayo?
sige.
Para walang bias.
Agree naman ako.
Yes.
Okay.
Again, candidate number 1. Okay. Candidate number 2. Candidate number 3. Okay, so I think we have a winner. It's candidate number 3.
And there we have it. Congratulations, my dear. You're taking a very special package from Lux Organics. And here we go. Candidate number 3 is taking home this big package. Thank you so much, Zainab. Please award our grand winner. There we go. And here are the consolation prizes.
Wala pa rin talo.
Wala talaga, especially with Lux Organics. There you have it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful products. And I love the efforts from our ladies. Now let's move on to another set of ladies. Sino gusto? We have our 3 contestants already.
Pero may next match na tayo.
May next match tayo. So, ganun pa yan. Kailangan magpakita po tayo na eksena na talagang papakita natin na you are the it girl. Okay, so, let's move on to the next scenario. Ladies, mamaya na tayo mag-picture dahil straight to the game na tayo. Eto na. The scenario is, oh no, you're late for a big meeting and you just used your Lux Organic Serum Hair Oil and now you're ready to slay. Okay? Alright, in-internalize pa nila?
Paano nyo i-apply ang ating Lux Serum sa inyong hair?
Oo.
Na habang nalilate kayo.
Oo.
Pero dapat maganda pa din.
Yes, okay. So on my mark, in 3, 2, 1, go! Period talaga. Okay, let's get straight to announcing who our winner is by magpalakpakan at maghiyawan po ulit tayo. Candidate number 1. Candidate number 2. Candidate number 3. One more time?
One more time, guys.
Okay, one more time, one more time. Gusto namin yung klaro ha. Candidate number 1. Candidate number 2. Candidate number 3.
Number 3 again.
Number 3 is the lucky number for today. Congratulations, my dears. And of course, you don't go home empty-handed. You still have lovely products from Lux Organics. Okay, and we have one more batch of contestants. Here we go. Okay, ladies. Pasensya na, straight to the game muna tayo. Here we go. You are at a high-end fashion fashion photo shoot, okay? High-end fashion photo shoot. And the wind machine has just been turned on. So dapat editorial, fierce, model, off-duty, ganon ang eksena. On the spotlight. Kaya? Siyempre, kaya. Nandito si Idol Zainab. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, in 3, 2, 1. Ay! Oh! Oh! Laban! Oh! Zainab, lumalaban talaga.
Slay!
They are! Totally! So this is it. Uulitin natin ang proseso. Magpalakpakan,
Ay,
maghiyawan.
kapalakpakan tayo.
So let's start with candidate number 1.
Daming fun.
Alright, candidate number 2. And candidate number 3.
Okay, nasa number 1 naman tayo ngayon.
Congratulations! Alright, and there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Another batch of lucky ladies who take home exclusive prizes from Lux Organics. And there we have it. We know that a lot of you can't wait to meet and greet Zainab. And of course, you'll have that opportunity. This is available to any one of our attendees who avail Lux Organics US Serum Hair Oils at the booth for a very quick meet and greet with you.
Yes, excited to meet you all.
So you'll have the opportunity for a photo op with her. So we will see you there, Zainab. Is there anything you might want to share with us for today?
Actually, huwag lang natin kalimutan mag-pray and honor si God. Ibigay natin lahat na nangyayari na sa buhay natin, mapamahirap, madali, all because of Him. Rapid lang.
Beautifully said. Just as beautiful as you are, Zainab. It's such a pleasure meeting you. And magpalakpakan naman po tayo once again. Zainab, Hanak, and Parks. There we have it. And we will see you at your booth. But before you head on over there, let's have a photo, a grand photo for her. Once again, feel free to head on over to the booth of Lux